First, open the package. There are 5 boxes in it, 2 of which are accessory boxes. One is a chiller box, and the other is a bath barrel box. Open the first accessory box. There are 3 paper filter core in it, a filter bottle, an external filter, a manual, a plastic bag, and accessories. The second piece box is a water pipe. We open this accessory box. There are 2 water pipes inside. In this carton is a chiller. We check to see the chiller is complete. There are 2 handles. The handle can help we easy to move out the chiller. This carton is a bathtub. Is a pump. Let's open the manual and take a look. Step 1. Open the inflatable cylinder. Connect. Connect. Next, still the same steps. The next step is to connect the tub and the chiller. Find the accessories in the plastic bag. Install the sealing ring. Wrap a raw material belt around the water inlet of the chiller. This is an external filter. See, the accessories are complete. Screw it in. Next step. Wrap the raw material tape around the water inlet of the tub. Wrap the raw material tape around one end of this connector. Open the filter bottle. Load a paper filter. Separate the interface from the bottle. Tighten. The bottle is connected to the water inlet of the tub. Then we unpack the water pipe. The green water inlet of the bath barrel is connected to the red water outlet of the chiller. Add a sealing ring of the chiller outlet. The red water outlet of the bath barrel is connected to the green water inlet of the chiller. The next step is to release the water. The water needs to exceed the water inlet below. Then the chiller need energized. See the water flow out of the upper water outlet. This means that the connect is right. This is the complete set of connection steps. Thank you.